Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Elementor Pro Templates Easy Guide. Open your WordPress dashboard and activate Elementor Pro, then navigate to Templates to pick a kit or page template. I will walk you through inserting templates, replacing content, and customizing styles so your site looks original. I'll also explain responsive settings, global colors, and how to save templates for reuse, keeping things simple and practical for fast results. Start by inserting your chosen template into a blank page and immediately replace placeholders with your logo, headlines, and images. Use the navigator to jump between sections and the finder to locate widgets fast. Adjust spacing, typography, and global colors so the template matches your brand. Don't forget to check responsive views and hide or tweak elements for mobile. Save your work often and preview before publishing to avoid surprises. Turn repeated elements into global widgets so updates apply everywhere instantly, and use the theme builder to assign templates to specific conditions like entire site or single posts. Tweak responsive breakpoints, adjust margins, and optimize images for speed. Consider exporting templates or kits as backups and copies for other projects. These habits save time and keep your site consistent while making it easy to iterate and launch pages.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.